In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by pinching your device's display. When you're ready, select Home Screen Settings at the bottom right corner, this gear icon. Click on Icon Size and operate this slider to adjust them. You can check out Preview at the top. Lastly, to save your changes, hit Apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!